Hydrosphere. Do you know why our Earth is also called the blue planet? This is because of the presence of water on about 71% of the Earth's surface. All the water bodies, such as the oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc., together make up the hydrosphere. It also includes the ice sheets in the polar and high mountain regions, underground water, and water vapor in the air. Oceans. There are four major oceans. In order of their size, they are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The continent of Antarctica is surrounded by a water body, which is actually an extension of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. It is known as the Antarctic Ocean or the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean and its area is even more than the combined areas of all the continents. It is also the deepest ocean. The Mariana Trench, the deepest place on the Earth's surface, lies in the Pacific Ocean. This ocean is almost circular in shape. Can you name the continents that surround it? In the north, it is joined to the Arctic Ocean through the narrow Bering Strait. In the south, it merges with the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean of the world. Its shape is like the letter S. Look at the world map and name the continents which border the Atlantic Ocean in the east and in the west. In the north, it stretches up to the Arctic Circle, and in the south, it merges with the Pacific and the Indian Ocean. The coasts along the Atlantic Ocean are very irregular. They provide excellent locations for ports and harbors. The Atlantic is the busiest ocean in terms of passenger and cargo traffic. The Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean. It is the only ocean to be named after a country. Its shape is roughly triangular. The continent of Asia lies in the north of Indian Ocean. India lies at the head of this ocean. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the two northward extensions of the Indian Ocean. To the east of this ocean lies Australia, and to the west lies Africa. In the south, it merges with the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. It is the only ocean that remains frozen most of the time. It is located around the North Pole and extends southward up to the Arctic Circle. North America, Europe, and Asia are the three continents that border this ocean in the south. The Arctic Ocean merges with the Atlantic between Greenland and Scandinavia. It is linked to the Pacific through the narrow Bering Strait. Most part of this ocean remains covered with thick ice throughout the year. Masses of water which are smaller in size than oceans are called seas. Some seas may be the extensions of oceans, partially surrounded by land. For example, the Caribbean Sea is an extension of the Atlantic Ocean, while the South China Sea is a part of the Pacific Ocean. Seas may also be completely surrounded by land, for example, the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea.